Hello, today I'm going to be showing you what my tackle box is for pond and like fishing. So first I'm going to start off the slot right here, which is just going to be extra stuff. I'm going to have weights for rigs. I'm going to have a little foam thing with some different hooks and barb rigs and things. And then in this little bag right here I have a little rig. So up here is going to be bigger things. So I have a chatterbait and my favorite fishing lures. We got a jig head right here. Good for bass, throw that in. And then I have a spinner bait with a trailer. It's really good for bass as well. Weedless. Up here is gonna be top water stuff, so we're gonna have a frog for skipping weed. That's nice. And then a whopper plopper because it's just good. Then we have just a normal popper for some light pond action. In here, we're gonna be having some diving lures, so we have a jerk bait, 3 to 5 feet. Then we have two crankbaits. And this one goes 2 to 5, and this one goes 5 to 7, so that'll cover a decent area in the water. And in these little things, we're gonna have some smaller lures. So in this one, we're gonna have spoons. In this one right here, we're gonna have a bunch of little jigs. Here's another spoon, trailer. And then in this one, we're gonna have some uh, rooster tails, one of my favorite fishing lures. This I'm gonna put in with the spoons, kind of like crankbait, very heavy. Here's another little crankbait. This one is 2 to 5, I think, so I'll put that in there. And another rooster tail. And then next in here, we're gonna have soft plastic. Some of these are rigged already. Some of them aren't. Jig head. Some miscellaneous soft plastic. These worms are really good for bass, so the smaller one for littler fish. We've got this one. These have a lot of action on them. And another worm for bass rig. This is an ideal tackle box for summer, pond hopping, river fishing, lake fishing, mostly for bass, walleye, stuff like that. A little bit of bluegill and perch. So, thanks for watching.